Today we'll be making a super simple and addicting yam fries with spicy mayo. This recipe is so easy. I've been making this every week for a month. So first start off by washing and peeling the yam. Then we'll cut them into fry-like pieces. And remember, the thinner you cut them, the faster they'll bake. To season, we're going to add a little bit of oil, paprika, salt, and then toss. Okay, now put them on top of a baking rack. If you don't have a baking rack, then you'll have to flip your fries halfway through baking so both sides get cooked evenly. Now bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. For the spicy mayo, I'm using Japanese mayo because it's more savory and I think it goes very well with hot sauce. So now add your favorite hot sauce. And mix them together. And there we have it, our baked yam fries with spicy mayo. Yummy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.